FacilityPro SCADA software is based off the GE iFix platform. This system allows for complete monitoring and control of the Cleanroom environmental monitoring system, as well as generation of reports of the system's operation. The main page display area can show a facility map. On this map, key areas are noted and the types of sensors located at each area are displayed. To get a closer look at a particular section of the facility map, simply click to get an expanded view of that area. The specific sensor data is displayed. This information can include the sensor state, the readings for that sensor, in this case, the particle counts for 0.5 and 5 micron particles. Also noted is if the sensor is an alarm or has a failure. In order to gather data, the system must begin taking a sample. Values can be shown on the summary screen, all values, for each sampling point identified by module. All actions that make changes to the system require tracking to assure 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Once a recipe has been created and saved, sampling to that recipe may be completed. Enter the sampling editor and select Insert to create a new sampling plan. Choose the appropriate recipe to be used for the sampling and enter the additional details for this batch as well as selecting the sampling mode. Once selected, tracking of these changes is 21 CFR Part 11 compliant. Once a sampling plan is active, the system status becomes active and data is gathered. From the main screen, the location shows as green and data is being gathered per the sampling plan initiated. The alarm states can also be easily assessed. For example, if the location turns red, it is in an alarm state. Values can be shown on the summary screen, all values, for each sampling point identified by module. This screen also shows the serial numbers of the devices as well as the calibration due date for each sensor. The alarm page shows all unacknowledged alarms that have occurred on the system. Reports can be run on any data stored in the system, including audit reports, data reports, and trend reports. All actions that make changes to the system require tracking to assure 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Users can be administrators, operators, power users, or supervisors. Within each of these groups, the security settings can be uniquely defined or commonly applied depending upon the security requirements of the individual customer location. System backup can be manually initiated for each item separately. User interface is a critical part of any SCADA-based system, allowing for the easy collection of data as well as providing reports that provide valuable data for proper operation of a controlled environment for the manufacturing of products.